Yes, good evening once again. My name is Ivan Zizenga. I will be taking you through financial reporting. As per our schedule, this is our first class. Briefly about myself, I hold a Bachelor of Commerce from India, a Bachelor of Science from Uganda, Master of Science in Financial Engineering from USA. I also have a diploma in accounting from Chambogo and over 5 years of teaching experience. Currently, I do serve as an internal auditor of a manufacturing company here in Uganda. I teach strategic business reporting as well at the professional level. I want to welcome you to this session, and I pray that we all achieve our desired objective. Those who have been following my pages, you might have seen our good news where we achieved 100% pass rate in the December 2023 sitting. We are customizing, or we are building on the same achievement to see that even this sitting achieves the same success rate. However, this does not only depend on the tutor, but it also depends on the efforts you, the students, shall put in. I pray that we support each other and we achieve the same success. I want to confirm at this point in time from you team if my audio is clear and my screen is visible.
Yes, you are very clear and the screen is visible.
Thank you so much. I am going to start with showing you the relationship between the financial reporting paper with other exams. It is important because it gives you the energy to give it your best, because you know that the information we are going to be sharing is very important when it comes to the professional level paper. I'm aware that all of you, either you cleared the financial accounting paper or you secured an exemption. Under both circumstances, I presume that you are confident with the requirements of the financial accounting paper. Therefore, we are going to use the financial accounting knowledge that we have, the corporate and business law knowledge that we have, so that we can excel in the financial reporting paper. Once you are done with your financial reporting, it is paramount that you clear your AA paper, because the information that we are going to be covering shall help you in audit and assurance. Moreover, at the professional level, your financial reporting knowledge that you're going to gain shall be very important when it comes to the strategic business reporting paper. So while we are putting in the energy, the effort in this paper, be it known to you that it is very important when it comes to your professional level paper. While I am starting this paper, there is some information that we assume that you students already know as far as financial reporting is concerned. And this is knowledge that is carried from the financial accounting background. However, even though it is assumed knowledge, I will personally go through all the standards, even those that you covered at the financial accounting level, so that we can have a strong foundation in the paper and we approach it with confidence Of course, with enough confidence, clearing it on first attempt become a reality. So as you can see on your screen, we have over 9 chapters or 9 parts that we assume that it is knowledge that you carried from your financial accounting. But as I said before, I will repeat the same in our lectures. One is the statement of cash flows. We presume that you covered it to detail in your financial accounting paper. Analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Here talking about the ratios, profitability, liquidity, and all those ratios. However, we shall repeat them so that it becomes easy for you to approach the questions. Number 3 comes intangible assets. Of course, we presume that you covered intangible assets to detail, but as I said, this won't be the case. I'll teach it. Provisions IAS 37, it is also assumed knowledge. Events after reporting period. Basic group accounts. I know we all know what control means, what associate means, what consolidation is. That is the basic group accounts that you covered in your financial accounting paper. Then looking at published company accounts, where we look at the statement of financial position, statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, and then the statement of changes in equity. This is basically the IAS 1, where we look at the financial statements and how they are presented to those who are interested in knowing, 1, the financial performance of the company, and then 2, the financial position of the company. Not forgetting the investors who are interested in knowing how their investment in a given company keep changing over time as the company keeps performing in the given accounting period. Number 8 is the inventory IAS 2. I'm sure we all know what net realizable value is, what recoverable amount is. That's why we call it assumed knowledge from the financial accounting paper. Those who have just joined, I said, even though it is assumed to be knowledge from financial accounting, we shall have a chance to go through the same standards. Lastly being property, plant and equipment, IAS 16. And of course not forgetting the 2 measurement models, the cost and revaluation. Talking about depreciation and all. I'm aware maybe some of you are confident with these standards, but those who are not confident, or those who cannot recall what was covered in financial accounting, you are at the right platform, because they will all be covered to give you more confidence. I want at this point in time, before I move to the next slide, I want to ask how many of us are sitting this paper in March 2024. Anyone sitting in March?
I am sitting in March.
Okay, you're sitting in March. Perfect. Any other person going in for March? I'll presume that it's only one person going in for the March sitting. That calls for extra effort, because we literally have 1 month, and so we shall need to have constant interactions even when we are at our places of work with you, so that we can cover so fast. Otherwise, those who are sitting in June, we have enough time, and we shall try to follow the planner so that the person who's going to sit in March can benefit as well. So